Good afternoon, viewers. This is Jubilee Saikia and you're watching My News Any. In a shocking incident, at least 3 children have been killed after a toy bomb exploded in Pakistan today. Here we are bringing you the full details. 3 children killed in Pakistan explosion. Amongst the 3 killed, 2 were brothers. Incident occurred in Janikhel of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province. Motor cell mistaken for a toy caused the blast. Explosives traced back to Soviet actions in Afghanistan during 1980s. Yes, viewers, at least 3 children including 2 brothers has been killed when a toy bomb exploded in Pakistan district northeastern Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province. The incident happened in the Janikhel area of Banu's Wazir subdivision. Local sources reported that the children were on their way home from the madrasa when the mortar cell explosion took place and claimed the lives of 3 students including 2 brothers. The mortar cell was lying in an abandoned area. The children mistaking it for a toy picked up, leading to a powerful explosion. Dozens of children, mostly in northwest Pakistan, have lost their lives in the past when playing with toys that turned out to be explosive devices. Notably, toy bombs were airdropped in neighboring Afghanistan by Soviet forces during the 1980s as weapons against those who opposed their innovation. South Waziristan is also one of the 7 semi-autonomous tribal areas where the army has for more than a decade been battling militants linked to the Taliban and Al-Qaeda. The army launched an operation in June 2014 in neighboring North Waziristan to wipe out militant bases in the tribal area and end an insurgency that has cost thousands of civilian lives. Yes, viewers, at least 3 children have been killed in Pakistan Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province after a toy bomb exploded today. Amongst the 3 killed, 2 were brothers. The tragic incident happened in the Janikhel area of Banu Wazir subdivision. Local sources reported that the children were on their way home from the madrasa when the mortar cell explosion took place and claimed the life of 3 students including 2 brothers. The mortar cell was lying in an abandoned area. The children mistaking it for a toy picked up, leading to a powerful explosion. That's all for now. For further updates, keep watching My News Any.